Do you know the secret to unlocking Venmo's full potential for your financial needs? Is it through a personal account, or is there a hidden gem in its business offerings? We all know Venmo, right? It's that app that's become synonymous with sending and receiving money. Need to split dinner with friends? Just Venmo me. Owe your roommate for rent? I'll Venmo you. It's convenient, it's quick, and it's practically ubiquitous in our digital financial lives. But for many of us, our relationship with Venmo stops there, at the personal level. We use it for everyday transactions, quick transfers, and maybe even to pay for that one-off service from a friend. We log in, send money, receive money, and don't give it a second thought. But what if I told you there's a whole other side to Venmo, a more robust, feature-rich side that's designed to cater to a different kind of financial interaction? What if I told you that for some of you, sticking solely to a personal Venmo account might actually be limiting your financial growth and even putting you at a disadvantage? This isn't just about sending a few dollars to a friend, it's about leveraging a powerful financial tool for your business, your side hustle, or even just a more organized approach to your personal finances. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo, peeling back the layers to explore the critical differences between a Venmo business account and a Venmo personal account. We're going to break down everything from fees and features to security and user experience. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand which Venmo account is best for your specific needs, but you'll also gain insights that could transform how you manage your money, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned freelancer, or simply someone looking to optimize their personal finances. So, buckle up, because we're about to demystify Venmo and help you make an informed decision that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Venmo personal account? Think of it as your digital wallet for everyday transactions. It's designed for individuals to send and receive money from friends and family, pay for goods and services at participating merchants, and even split bills. The beauty of the personal account lies in its simplicity and ease of use. Setting it up takes minutes, linking your bank account or debit card is straightforward, and sending money to another Venmo user is as simple as a few taps. For most people, this is the Venmo they know and love. It's perfect for that casual exchange, the quick repayment, or chipping in for a group gift. There are no monthly fees to maintain a personal account, and standard transfers to your bank are free. It's the quintessential peer-to-peer payment platform, built for convenience and social interaction. Now, let's shift gears and introduce the Venmo business account. This is where things get interesting for anyone operating a side hustle, a small business, or even just looking to accept payments for services rendered. A Venmo business account is specifically designed for merchants and service providers to accept payments from customers. It's more than just a personal account with a business label. It comes with a distinct set of features and functionalities tailored for commercial use. Think of it as a simplified point-of-sale system in your pocket, allowing you to professionally manage transactions, track sales, and even gain insights into your customer base. This account type is built for growth, professionalism, and compliance, offering tools that go far beyond simple peer-to-peer transfers. So, what are the key differences that truly set these two apart? This is where we get into the nitty-gritty and help you determine which one aligns with your financial activities. First, let's talk about the purpose. The personal account is for personal use, sending money to friends, family, and trusted individuals. The business account, on the other hand, is for commercial transactions. If you're selling products, offering services, or receiving payments for anything that generates income, a business account is the appropriate and compliant choice. Using a personal account for business transactions can lead to issues, including account limitations or even closure, as it violates Venmo's terms of service. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It might seem to work for a bit, but it's not designed for that purpose and will eventually cause problems. Next up, fees. This is a crucial distinction. For personal accounts, sending money from your Venmo balance, linked bank account, or debit card is generally free. There's usually a 3% fee if you send money using a credit card, but otherwise, most personal transactions are free. Now, for business accounts, Venmo charges a small fee for receiving payments. Typically, this is a percentage of the transaction amount plus a fixed fee, similar to credit card processing fees. While this might seem like a drawback, it's the cost of doing business and gaining access to the robust features and protections that a business account offers. This fee structure is standard for payment processors and helps cover the costs of secure transactions, fraud prevention, and customer support for commercial activities. It's an investment in your business's legitimacy and operational efficiency. Then there's transaction limits. Personal accounts have daily and weekly sending limits, which are usually sufficient for casual use. Business accounts generally have higher transaction limits, accommodating the larger volumes and higher values often associated with commercial activities. This means you won't hit a ceiling when your business starts to grow, ensuring smooth operations as your sales increase. Imagine having to turn away customers because your personal Venmo account can't handle the volume. That's a nightmare scenario that a business account helps you avoid. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.